in Niagara Falls at the Wax Museum. And here's some figures of Ann Taylor, who decided it would be a good idea to go over the falls in a barrel. And guess what? They have the barrel here. In this barrel. Can you imagine? Over the Niagara Falls in that thing? The original picture. Look at her all bloody. It's something. Look at that guy smiling. Well, at least she's alive. Ann Taylor. There's the barrel. There's her head sticking out. Boy, was she lucky. But there were several people. There's a guy there. He tried it in a barrel. I don't know why people would think a barrel was a good idea. There's a guy, William Red. And this is Bobby Leach's barrel. And it's metal. Metal. He made it out alive, too. And all these daredevils. Ann Taylor's the first one. And there she is. Look at the look on her face. Well, that would have been something to see.